Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we are in Carteret, New Jersey, just completing an installation of a wheelchair accessible shower enclosure. And what we've done is use a Serenity kit, which is typically a stationary panel and a door. And what we've done here is made it a double. So now two doors in the center, when they are both opened, give us a space of approximately 38 inches wide, to allow plenty of space for wheelchair entry and exit. And again, this is an ADA compliant shower, so this is a flush saddle, flush to the shower floor. And there you have it. Again, this project is done in Carteret, New Jersey. If you need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website at njglassdoors.com. Thank you.